Stop what you are doing and just take a look at this channel. This channel blew up recently with this amazing idea. If you look at this closely, this TikTok page only has 33 videos. More than 20 videos have reached at least 2 million views. This one specific video has reached 30 million views. With the TikTok creativity program, this channel is at least making $2,000 a month. That's a fact. So, let's do a little math. All of these videos have a duration of more than 1 minute, which means all the videos are monetized. After calculating all the views, this channel has approximately 75 million views. If we take the RPM as $0.5, which is the amount that TikTok pays for thousands of views, we get $3,700 as approximate earnings for this channel. So now you know that this niche is a golden opportunity. So in the next few minutes, I will show you the step-by-step process of making videos like this. Before going into a step-by-step tutorial, I have created a new channel that's about new AI tools that can help you to make money. If you are interested in that, the link is in the description. Thank you. We are not going to use a lot of AI tools to create these videos, only ChatGPT and 11 Labs. This niche is called the intuition test niche, which is a sub-niche of psychology. One of the reasons why these videos are going viral is that this niche has the ability to increase the curiosity of the viewer. So they will watch these types of videos till the end. So the TikTok algorithm will push these videos for more audiences, which will result in going that specific video viral. Creating videos for this niche is not that simple. You have to put some effort into making videos. But once you get used to it, it will become very simple. Let me show you a sample video I created, then we can start the step-by-step process.
Intuition test. Don't overthink, trust your gut feeling, and see how the universe will help you. Is the object inside this box a fruit or a vegetable? Does the animal behind the door have fur or feathers? Is the car in the photo red or blue?
We need to create several questions for this. For that, let's use ChatGPT. Let's ask like this: generate 10 intuition test questions. It should be very simple, just like these examples. Which girl is blonde? What color is this eye? Is this a man's hand or a woman's hand? So I have added 3 examples. If you want, you can add more. To be honest, you don't need ChatGPT for that. You can think about questions like this. There is actually no limit to creating questions like this. So we can use these questions for our video. The next step is to create voiceovers. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in 11 Labs. You can even clone your voice with this. So you don't have to worry about buying expensive equipment for voice recording. And most importantly, you can monetize your videos using this voices. You can sign up for free. It will give free 10,000 characters. Now, let's check several AI voices and select a suitable one for this video. For these types of videos, you need to use both male and female voices. For this example, I will use a female voice. If you click this Add Voice button and click Voice Library, you can get access to more voices. By selecting suitable keywords from this top menu, you can get voices related to each category, so I will select social media. Let's check this voice.
We should all be thankful for those people who rekindle the inner spirit.
We need more energetic voice. Let's try this one.
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on. It is never of any use to oneself.
I think we can use this voice, add it to your voices, and now you can select that voice from here. Now, I'm going to start the video by saying some interesting things like this. Intuition test. Don't overthink. Trust your gut feeling and see how the universe will help you. Then create the voiceovers for all the questions we generated. It's really simple. If you don't like to use 11 Labs, go check this video. That video is about alternate text-to-speech AI tools. The link is in the description. Now we can start the editing part. For this video, I'm going to use Canva for the editing process. You don't need to buy the Pro plan for this process. Free version is enough. Log into your Canva account and click the Create Design button. From here, search for YouTube Shorts. We need to create a background template first. Now this background template should represent some spiritual vibes. I will go to Elements from this side menu and type Vintage. As you can see here, we have several vintage background layers. You can select any background layer you prefer. I will select this one. Then, adjust its size to match the surface area. Now, I will add some vintage elements for this. I think this butterfly image would be good for this. I will add it in the middle of the bottom part. Then I will also add these flowers around the corners now. This background gives us a good spiritual vibe. I will also add a vintage-looking brain image to this template. For that, search again and select a suitable art from here. I will add this one. Now, I think this background layer is ready. We can download it as a photo. Go to Share and select Download. Then download this background. Now just delete all these layers and go to Uploads. Now we need to upload the background images we created here. Then, select it and increase its duration from this timeline. Then, add a new text layer and type Intuition Test and place it under the brain image. Let's change this text font to a new one and add white color as well. Now go to Uploads and upload all the voiceovers. Drag the first voice clip to the timeline and add another text layer and type the caption like this and change its colors and fonts as well. Then, I will add a simple hourglass animation to this. Go to Elements and type hourglass. You can use another graphic as well. I think this hourglass animation would be suitable, so I will add it to here. Now we need to match the timing of this 3-layer with voiceovers. For that, right-click on this layer and select the Show Timing option. Now you will be able to see this purple bar under the timeline. You can change the appearance time of these layers by changing this purple bar. So, just like this, edit all 3 layers to match the voiceover's duration. Then, go to Animations from this top menu and add suitable sliding animations to these layers. There are a lot of animations. Make sure to use a good animation for these layers. Then, go to Uploads again and add the second voiceover. In this case, it's the first question. Now you need to add a new text layer and type the first question, which is the object inside this box a fruit or a vegetable? And edit its timing like we did before. This question should appear after the first 3 layers. So make sure to edit its timing perfectly using this purple bar. Then, we need to add a box to this. Go to Elements and search for a box. Let's use this one and add it under the question. Make sure to edit its timing as well. Then we need to add a stopwatch animation as well, so again, search for a stopwatch animation and find a suitable animation, and add it under the box. As the answer to this question, I will add a fruit. So, first, the question will appear with the box, then the clock animation should appear for 3 seconds, and after that 3 seconds, the answer should appear. In this case, it's an orange. So, make sure to edit the timing just like this. After editing this, you need to download this clip. Now, just like this, create the clips for all the other 10 questions. I'm not going to show you those because it's the same process. After creating those clips, we need to edit these clips and we should add sound effects. We can use pixabay.com for that. From this website, you can download any sound effects without any copyright issues. So, download these 2 sound effects from this website. With that, we have all the material to edit the final output. To edit all these, you can use either Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. For this example, let's use CapCut. It's a free video editor, and you can download it to your mobile or computer. After you download it, follow these steps. First, start a new project and select a suitable size for your video by clicking this Modify button. Select 9:16 ratio. Then import all the clips we created and sound effects to this, and first, drag the video clips to the timeline in the correct order. After that, all you need to do is add these sound effects. Let's add whoosh sound effects when the question appears. Then let's add a bell ring sound effect when the answer appears. Also, make sure to add a clock ticking sound effect whenever the stopwatch starts. After adding these sound effects, we are almost done. Add calm background music to the clip and make sure to reduce its volume to match the sound of the clips. Then you can export the final output. I know this process is a little bit harder than before, but if you can do this niche, it will be very valuable for you. I hope you learned something from this video. I will see you in the next video.